So if now I'm just gonna, I did a few extrudes here. Like I said, there was a few ways of doing it. If I select my rectangle tool, I can see that there is 4 mode menus. Right now I'm in top plan view. If I orbit or fly over or specify a 3D view, I can see that there's this new mode menu that automatically comes up. It's this push-pull mode. And what happens is if I draw a shape in 3D view, I can automatically, once I've drawn it, I can automatically push-pull it and create an extrude. Now, if I want to modify or add or subtract that to that extrude, I can create another rectangle on that shape, for instance. Okay, I'll do up this time. And now if I push pull, I can do an automatic push pull. If I want to add or subtract to this extrude, I press option as I do so, and that then didn't do that. Okay. So if, for instance, that automatic push pull didn't work, I don't know why right this moment, but what I can do is I can select both objects and I can go up to model and I can subtract solids. So there's add solids, subtract solids, and I can choose if I don't want to retain my subtracting object, and I can hit OK. And now there is my solid subtraction.
Sort of so like horizontal drawings.
Yes.
Would have just done it for you.
Yeah, it does. And this is where it helps to understand what's going on. But yeah, modeling is really easy. So now, Sun Tzu, I know you're probably wanting to know everybody else, you can not pay attention. Now, looking at this, it said solid subtraction, right? So if it was just an extrude, it's just a solid. Here it says solid subtraction. I can double click on this and I can edit that solid subtraction. So there's my original shape. I could bring it out, for instance, a little bit. And now I exit it and it changes that shape. So I didn't have to modify, redraw the extrude. I can just double click it and it does, I can edit it and move it wherever. So now, yeah. I can also add to this. So for instance, if I had another shape, actually I'll do, so all our 2D shapes, there is the automatic push-pull. So I just did a cylinder. I can add this to this shape. So I can select both. See, this is an extrude because I haven't done anything to it. This is a solid subtraction, but I can select both and I can make them an add solids. And now it says a solid addition. I can double click on this and I can bring this, I can modify the addition. If I want to modify the subtraction, I'm within the addition. Now I double click on the subtraction and I'm within the subtraction, exit solid subtraction, now exit solid addition, and that's my shape.